channel. So today's video is another exciting one. Today is going to be my new subscription box for the month of June. As you all know, I'm trying out a new subscription box each month, and I actually ordered this one back in May, and I thought I was going to get it for my new box for the month of May, but turns out I ordered it just like a few days too late, and so then it was sent out for the June box. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and let's dive into this, guys. So we're going to be talking about the company called Lemonie. It is a earring subscription box. This is what the box looks like when it is shipped out. It's just yellow on the sides and has their logo here. So I have a little bit of information pulled up on my phone. So basically you get to pick from 3 different kinds of earring, like which kind of earrings you would like. If you want, let's see, if you want the Ava box is more neutral colors, the Bella box is colorful bold styles, or the Sophia box, which is a mixture of both styles. Each box comes with 3 stylish, fashionable, and great earring qualities valued at $50 or more. If you're a member for a year or more, you receive a mystery gift in your box, and each box is $27.99 a month. So yeah, I picked the Bella box because I love bold statement earrings. So let's get into it. When you open it up, here's what the inside looks like. I love the whole yellow theme. It says, "Hey Lemon Love, thank you so much for being a part of our family. We appreciate you so much and are excited to send you special and stylish earrings. Not only did you receive Lemonlicious earrings, but a portion of your box went to an amazing organization that supports women and girls. We hope you love your lemon earrings and feel beautiful, confident, and special when wearing them. Don't forget to tag us on their Instagram." And yeah, so it just sent these little cards, and then it sends a card as to where they are donating. It says all on their website that they donate each month to a different women's organization. So yeah, that is really interesting. Here's the inside of the box and the little sticker. It says, has a cute little saying there. I can't remember what it says, but I'll let you guys read it. When you open up the box, it is so cute. It has the little earrings laying in there with some of that like crepe paper stuff. And the first set I was sent is these really cute little hearts. Here's what they look like. I think they're so cute. It's got like felt on the back and then these cute little beads here on the front. It looks like the beads are just kind of like glued to the felt, but they're like a heart cut out. And so yeah, I love these. And then I got this pink pair, which I think will go so cute with what I'm actually wearing today. And here's what they look like. They're like, kind of have this like furry, soft material here, and they're kind of like dangly hoops almost. And then the third pair is these really bright green little hoops. I think they're so cute. And then they also include 2 stickers with each month. The first one just has their Lemonie logo that says, "When life gives you lemons, buy earrings and create change." And the other one just says, "With brave wings, she flies." And it's kind of just like a little motivation. Here's what they look like. Here's the stickers. They're so cute. I love these. I might like incorporate these into my bullet journal or something. Or these would even be really cute to add to a water bottle. I don't know if you guys do that or not, but So yeah, that is the Lemonie subscription box. This was the, I guess it's the June box. And yeah, I really love this. And I think for $27.99 a month is a little bit pricey, but you're getting 3 pairs. So that averages, let's see what that averages to. So it averages about $9 a pair, and I know that their box does not include shipping. I think it's like $5 for the shipping, because I think it was like 31 something. Yeah, around $31 or $32 whenever I got this charged to my account. So I think $9 for each pair of earrings. I mean, that's kind of like what you pay for like a pair of really cute ones at Target, which isn't too bad, I guess. And it's great that they give a portion of the box to a women's shelter or organization. So yeah, guys, this is not at all affiliated with Lemonie at all. I just bought this on my own, wanted to review it. And yeah, please don't forget to leave me a comment if you want me to try out a subscription box. I'm really enjoying trying out these boxes and showing them with you. It's kind of becoming a new thing of mine. So please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe before you leave. And y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching. So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.